Hello and welcome to a new video of programming with Python. Today we are going to talk about how to work with text and strings. What we are going to do, we are going to get a page from the internet, get a specific value from that internet page, and it's going to be a price on that page, and we are going to print only that price to the screen. So this is the page we are going to use, and this is the value that we are going to print out. Now this price is updated quite often. As you can see, I'm refreshing the the price and page, and so the price may be different when you try to download it, or in every second it refreshes. So let's go right in and start programming. First we need to import a module. Excuse me. Request, it says PyCharm gives us the options, so what we can use. And now we have imported this module, and we're going to put something in a this is a variable page. We're going to call page, and we're going to use this module again. This module is used to request something from a URL open. Here we're going to put the the URL that we are going to collect the data from, like this. And we're going to have another variable where we're going to read the content of that page. This page dot read means read the page values. And we have to do something more with it. We have to decode it in this format so that we can read the content. Then we're going to print the text to the screen. So let's see how this works. Get text. Okay, it gets the all the data from from that internet page. It gets the HTML. Excuse me. It gets the HTML code, but we are only interested in this part. So let's try to improve the code so that we only get this part. Now, to only get this part, we need to search. Now what are strings? Strings are a bunch of characters that it's a long string of characters, and every character in the string has an index, so we can use that to search from an index to an index in a string to get this value. So we need to update our code a little bit. Let's see, we have to put another variable here, and we are going to take the text that is read into this variable. We are going to take that data, which is all this code here is included in the text, and we're going to give it a start index, and then we're going to give it the end index. This is the starting index. Then we're going to collect the characters that starts at this index of the string, and this is the character after the stopping index. So it will not include this the character at this index, but the index before. This is just how Python works. And all the index in a string starts from 0 and not 1, so you always have to count from 1. Then we're going to print out the price. Hopefully this will print out the file I've counted, so it should print out this one, this value here. So let's see. Yep, it prints out this value, and as I mentioned, this is refreshing the price quite often, so it will not give you the exactly what's on the page what you're looking at, but it will give you at the moment, and we'll see in a moment why why it's important to keep searching for this price. Now we need to improve this code because if the structure of the page in the page is changed, then we are not able to get this value. So we have to update the code a little bit. What happens if you make an update to your code, like you get another web page that's, let's say you run a company and your supplier gives you a special website which is available only to you, that you get another price than the rest of the public, and let's say this is the page that is especially for you. And if we update this code with the new with the new website page, let's see how this goes. Yeah, you see it's not giving us the correct price. To improve this a little bit, excuse me, we're going to do a little bit changes. We're going to search. We're going to use a built-in function called find that we're going to use on the variable that holds the string of text of HTML of this page. And what we are going to search for is this more than and $sign. So the code will search for these characters, and then we can put whatever page we'd like, and the program will find the what we put in the variable to search for. So we're going to put we're going to use another another variable, and we're going to take the text, that's the HTML text is stored in this variable, and we're going to find something, and what we are going to find is a more than sign and a $sign. And then we have to go give them more, give the program a little bit more specifics. The start of the variable is where it finds this index +2. That's the start of the price, because we don't want this more than sign. We only want the price, the digits, not the $sign and not the larger than sign. And end of price is another variable we're going to put to indicate the end of the price. It's start of price plus 4 characters. That means it starts here, 1 2 3 it's the starting point and 4 characters. So let's see, then the price is going to be text, start of price, to end of price. That's the like we did in the previous exercise. We put in the starting index and end index to search for, and in this case we're going to use the variable names. They are still integers. That indicates the starting point and the end point of what we want to find. So let's see if this if this works. Yep, it searches for the text and finds the price after this, because there is no other any place on the page that has this starting point than here, and it's in prints out the correct price. So now let's try to improve the code a little bit more. Let's say your program only needs to display the price when it's under a certain price level. Like now, what the program does, you have to run it and check it and see what the price is. Let's say you write a program that continually checks the website to and you put a limit, the max price, and whenever the price is under that max price, you get an output to the screen that you should buy now because the price is such and such. For that, we need to import another library called time. And we just need to set a price so that the loop is started, and yes, we also need a loop to keep checking while the price is at a certain stage. Let's say while the price is more than 4.90, it will then, we need to indent everything here. This loop will only keep running while the price is above 4.90, and we can use the time library to only check for 5 seconds, every 5 seconds. Normally you would have to put like every 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes would be 900 seconds. But just to give you to show you how that it works, we just check every 5 minutes. We also need to convert these values to a float, otherwise the price, or sorry, the code will crash. So whenever the price is less than 490, we have to say to the user, buy, the price is, and we can put the price here. Yes. Hopefully this will work. Let's save it and try to run it. Excuse me. Now it's checking every 5 seconds. Yeah, when the price drops below 490, it informs us the price is 411 and you should buy. So I hope you like this small exercise, and you see how you build program. You start with the simplest code and you build to improve the code. If you have any comments, please put in the comment section, Any suggestion, mail me, send me a message, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.